What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video I got you guys here another airdrop video, probably the easiest airdrop video I ever make for airdrop. And if you guys want to keep up to date with all the airdrops, put the notification bell right there. And I also have a playlist made for airdrops. All the videos I've been posting for airdrops, it's in the playlist. You guys can watch all the previous ones. It's in the description below, the playlist, the airdrop playlist. And also, if you want to be up to date or one-on-one, or getting my own trading indicator and everything, join my Patreon right here. The lowest tier is $8 and you get all those features. So let's get started with this airdrop, because this is going to be the easiest one. Swell. What is Swell? Okay, Swell is a liquid restaking for DeFi. Okay, they're basically like Lido Finance. If you don't know what Lido Finance is, they allow you to stake your Ethereum, okay, and basically earn yield on it. And then you can use that after you stake it, you get like you get a second token, which is like a pre-staked Ethereum, and then you can use that for other things in DeFi. Okay, which in my opinion, if you're a big fan of Ethereum and if you're holding Ethereum and you're not staking it, you're not earning the yield. And number two, if you are staking it on like Coinbase, on Kraken, or a centralized exchange, you're staking it, but you don't have the keys. So Lido Finance, Swell, they allow you to stake it on the cold storage wallet, and I'm gonna show you guys here how to do it. But the difference between Swell and something like Lido, which already has a coin, is that Swell is gonna have their coin airdropped. Okay, as you can see right here, stake now to earn pearls, then claim Swell tokens when the voyage ends. You see that right there? So I'm gonna leave all the links in the description below. This one doesn't have any referral program, so all the official links are, and make sure they're official. Okay, you can make sure they're official right here on the Twitter. Click right there. They're gonna be all right there. I'm gonna tell you, this is the easiest one. Like, this is a set and forget it type of airdrop. You don't have to keep farming it. This is also a type of airdrop where, like, the more you put in, the more points you get out. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys here. This is their website, and it's super easy. And all you do is you go right here to stake. Okay, and you just click right here, connect wallet. Now the wallets that they have MetaMask OKX wallet. So if you have that, Coinbase wallet, like Coinbase wallet is not the same as Coinbase. Coinbase wallet, you have your keys. Okay, you guys should already know this. You have your keys versus Coinbase, where you can stake Ethereum right on there. Phantom. So what I like to do is I like to have my Ethereum on like Ledger or Trezor or wherever. Then I connect it to either MetaMask or Phantom, whichever one you prefer. You connect your hardware wallet, and then you connect it right here to Swell. So you just connect it. Boom. After you connect it, all you have to do is click right here, stake. You put in how much you want, how much Ethereum you want to stake, and then you receive this coin called SW ETH. Okay, which is the second coin here that you're going to be receiving for basically staking it on here. And what's awesome about this is the fact that you can actually earn a second airdrop, which I'm going to make a second video for. But this one is just specifically made for Swell. Okay, but this second airdrop is also super easy, and it has connection with Swell, which is actually right here on their homepage. It's called Egan Layer. Stake for a bonus of 30 pearls per SW ETH, which is, after you stake it on Swell, what you do is, and I'm gonna make this in my second airdrop video for Egan Layer. Okay, so you stake it on Swell, right? You have now the SW ETH after staking it on Swell. Next thing you do is you go to Egan Layer, which is a second airdrop that is super easy. You can see right here, this is their Twitter, right? The TVL on this is insane. I really do think this is going to be one of the biggest airdrops, because the TVL is crazy. And it's been up for, it's still early. Like, I think they should be coming out next year, 2024, either quarter 2, quarter 3, who knows. But what you do now, and Egan Layer is basically, they're basically like a place where you can stake your pre-staked Ethereum from like Lido, or like Swell, which is right here. So like these are all the platforms right here. So right here you got Lido, you got Rocket Pool, Coinbase. These are all places where you can stake your Ethereum, and then you get a second coin, which should be right here. Like the second coin has, look right here, for Rocket Pool it's RETH, for Lido is STETH, and then for Swell, which we're doing it for, is SWETH. Now, like I said, the reason why I prefer Swell right now is because Swell doesn't have a coin. They're gonna have their coin airdrop. So why would I do it on Lido when Lido already has a coin, right? So this is like killing two birds with one stone, where you're staking it on Swell, getting their second coin, coming over here to EigenLayer, okay, and all you got to do is you click on it, right, Swell, and then you stake your SWETH, which you get from staking your ETH as Swell. You deposit, you stake it, and then right here it should say at the top here, it should say how much you restaked, okay, how much you restaked, and your points. And like I always say, a project that has a point system always is going to have an airdrop. It's basically a guarantee that they will have an airdrop. I mean, Swell already guarantees it, because you can see right here on their Twitter, you're gonna claim the Swell tokens when the voyage ends. So Swell is gonna be a coin that you're gonna be able to claim simply by just staking ETH. This is just that simple, guys. Like even the website is just so simple and straightforward, right? It tells you the points right there. Again, you connect your wallet right here. And again, when you connect your wallet, obviously it has to be the same wallet from the wallet that you staked your Ethereum on Swell. Okay, so just remember that, because that's how you're going to be able to access your SWETH. Okay, and then it's just, you're killing two birds with one stone. These two are, in my opinion, going to be huge airdrops next year. What sucks though is the fact that Ethereum gas fees are pretty high. So when you do stake it on here, you're gonna have to pay a gas fee for Ethereum, as well as when you restake it, you're gonna have to pay a gas fee for restaking it on EigenLayer. Now, the way that you would go around that is basically what I would do is I would put an alarm clock for middle of the night, 1 a.m., 3 a.m., whenever you're able to wake up decently, and then especially on the weekend. So I would do this on the weekend, maybe on a holiday. Then you wake up, you have it all set up on your computer, and then the gas fees are going to be way lower. Like you can compare the gas fees. Everyone knows that they're way, way lower during those times in the middle of the night versus like on, weekday, business day. It's a big difference. So that's how I would get around the ETH gas fees, which they are pretty big. But I think it's going to be worth it. Even with the Ethereum gas fees so big, it's going to be worth it for this airdrop. And, another thing too is like, when you're going to do this, make sure you put, all your amount all at once, right? Don't be putting like, oh, I'm gonna put $100 right now, and then 2 days from now I'll put another $100, and then, I'll put another, no. I would do it because you're going to lose out on the gas fees. You're going to be paying triple gas fees, right? Instead of paying a gas fee all at once, right? Because like, let's say you want to do $300, boom, you pay the gas fees, it's done. Now, if you're going to do $100 now, you're going to pay that same gas fee, and then you pay $100 later, put $100 later, you're going to pay the same gas fee. Okay, you can even be higher. So that's what I mean by that. And yeah, again, you guys can also follow them on Twitter, their official accounts right here. I'll leave them in the description below. I will be making a second video for EigenLayer. But basically, these are two airdrops. If you guys want to be up to date, put the notification bell. And also join the Patreon, only $8 a month. I'll be keeping you guys up to date. Also on the claim dates, don't forget the claim date is just as important as when you get into the airdrop, when you qualify, when you do all these tasks, because some claim dates are time sensitive. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.